Hey guys, it's Mr. Golius. It is September 1st. Turn the page, brand new month. Here we go. Daily announcement number 7 is this. Our QOD, there's 2 questions, both about one word describing you. There's help there to get you to the Google Classroom if you forgot how, but most people have figured that out now. Our small group and highlight is for the people in class today. Number 4 is just a friendly reminder, guys. Make sure you did do the reflection on your dream board and that your dream board obviously is turned in. I am grading those starting early Tuesday, so please take care of that. You have a tour for your graphic design modules that you're going to be doing, so you can just click and watch that. And then our very first project that we're going to be doing today, I'm really excited about the name, Zoom Virtual Background. You'll click there. It'll give you just a few last tips as you get to work on that. So obviously if you are in asynchronous today, periods 1, 2, and 6, you're doing all of these except obviously item number 3. I hope everyone has a great day today.